Given that cassava represents a valuable subsistence and cash crop in many countries, its agricultural potential in South Africa needs to be fully exploited.
So my friends are from Rwanda. We go to church with them. So my husband got this knowledge from his friend how to farm cassava. So we started farming last year. So this is our first harvest. So I'm so happy. So today a friend of mine has come over to teach me how to cook cassava. So the next harvest we're gonna go to the market and sell it and make money. Thank you so much. Siyawuklina ucassava ke manje silungiselela ukupheka. So umngani wami oqhamuke eRwanda ufikile uzongifundisa ukuthi siwuklina kanjani, chopha kanjani, siwulungiselela ukuthi sikwazi ukupheka. Nangu nomunye umngani wami ngala uyangisiza, siyaklina sizopheka, sidle kube mnandi.
Through the work of UPSKILL Africa and ZOE-LIFE Forge, this Chesterville family has learned cassava farming from a Rwandan family and is realizing the blessing of living in harmony with foreign nationals who live in South Africa. This is a good example of how Africans from foreign nations can share skills and assist South Africans in crucial areas such as food security.
Last year around June. Now we harvest cassava. The cassava is ready. We're busy preparing. Me and my friend who coming from Cassava, her name is Posette. I'm very happy to see the result. So we continue now. We just remove the skin. We cut our cassava. We wash them. We're preparing. We're going just to cook and mix with some meats or some bones. Then we enjoy it. Yeah, thank you.
Sengiyavuthwa ke manje ngijabulile sesizodla ukudla kwethu kubukeka kukuhle kakhulu.
Cassava is the most important tropical root crop in the world. Cassava can be stored in the ground for several seasons, thereby serving as a reserve food when other crops fail.